Hello guys, welcome back to Mathematics. Today we are going to check the progression test style question of stage 9. This is the question 3. It says, this is the recurring decimal equivalent to 5/7. And we are given a decimal that, as you can see, these decimal digits are going to repeat. These 3 dots means that they are going to repeat forever. So we have 6 digits in the period. This is what we call the period of a recurring decimal. After the decimal point, what would be the digit in the 499th position of this recurring decimal? So guys, this is going to be like a succession. The numbers are always going to repeat. So let's identify the pattern here. We have the decimals that repeats. I'm just going to write the decimals that repeats twice. So this would be in the first position, second, third, and etc. So, since the period has 6 digits, this is going to repeat every 6 positions. So notice that, for example, the first one is the 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. So the 7th position is also the 7. And so on. So we basically need to know how many times we have the 6 in this 499 and check in what digit we would have the 499th position. So we just need to do 499 divided by 6, which is going to be 6 times 8 is 48. So we have a remainder of 1. We bring the 9 down. And 6 times 3 is 18. So we are going to have a remainder of 1. So after a lot of repetitions, that means we are going to have again the same numbers. But it means until the position 498, we have to repeat the 6 same digits because 498 is a multiple of 6. And then the 499 is going to be the next digit, the digit 7. So we should write the 7 here to get the points. Okay guys, I hope it was clear. Let me any question in the comments box. Don't forget to subscribe and book your own lessons with me if you want. I leave you the link in the description. Bye bye guys, see you next time.